All of the High Spirits Eco Stands do come with easy to understand instructions with photographs, so assembly makes it very simple. This is our double Eco Stand. The first step is to take the crossbar, which has a notch in it, take one side, face the notch down, and insert it into the rectangular hole, then putting pressure on it, locking it into the bottom of the notch. Take the second crossbar, place it notch down into the same side, put some pressure down so it locks it in. Then take the second side, place them into the rectangular holes, nice and easy, press them together, then take both sides at the bottom crossbar, press down, lock it in, do the same thing with the top crossbar, lock it in, and assembly is complete.